Friends, I am Dr. Surjit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Signs, symptoms and uses of Homeo-Remedy acid fluor or fluoric acid. Full name fluoric acid. Common name hydrofluoric acid, HF. Short name fluoric acid. Source: chemical compound, chemical world. Generalities: chiefly acts on long bones producing caries, ulceration, bedsores, varicose veins. Suitable for pale, miserable, cachectic, flabby, broken down patients who always feel too hot. That is most important of acid fluor. Acid fluor patient is very hot. Relation with heat and cold: very hot patient, temperament lustful, diathesis not surely known, Miasm, Syphilis, Psora is in the background. Mental generals of acid fluor: depression of mind, aversion to his own family, to those loved best, become interested and talk to strangers nicely, impulse to walk fast, inability to realize own responsibility, very much lustful, stand on the streets ogling passers-by women, elated and gay, sits silently, does not utter a single word nor answer when questioned. Physical generals of acid fluor: destructiveness is the keynote of this remedy. Produces slow destructive effect like caries of bones, ulceration, bedsore, varicose veins, goiter. Always feel too hot, want to bath in cold water, discharges thin, foul, acrid, salty, causing itching. Tissues: puffy, indurated fistulas, edema, phelon, navy, secondary syphilis. Increased ability to exercise without fatigue, regardless of heat of summer or cold of winter. That is, they can tolerate both extreme of cold, extreme of heat. Numbness on the part or not laying on. In brain diseases, spinal affections. Physical results of acid fluor: continuation, calcareous degeneration, pale, miserable, cachectic, flabby, broken down patients. Suitable to complaints of old age and prematurely aged. General modalities: worse from heat, heat of room, night, alcohol, showers, foods. Better from cool bathing, rapid motion, short sleep, bending head back, eating. Head symptoms of acid fluor: stunning headache, better from urinating, pressure in occiput, pain along the sutures. Sutures means sutures of the skull bones. I've given on the right side picture. Please note the sutures there. Puffy glabella. Glabella means just a small portion between the two eyebrow. Falling out hair after fever. Brittle, lousy hair. Eye symptoms of acid fluor: sensation of a cold wind blowing through eyes, fistula lacrimalis. There is lacrimal fistula, as if something in the eyes that could not be rubbed off. Must wink. Left eye looks smaller than the right. Ear symptoms of acid fluor: deafness before bending head. Deafness better bending head back. Nose symptoms of acid fluor: fluent coryza during sleep, sneezing with salivation. Face symptoms of acid fluor: heat in face, want to wash it in cold water, pale face. Mouth symptoms of acid fluor: teeth decay rapidly, worse at roots, enamel thin, dental fistula, late dentition, tongue fissured in all directions. Mouth pains while talking, ulcers on and under the tongue. Stomach symptoms of acid fluor: desire for pungent, spicy, highly seasoned foods. Cold water, warm drinks produce diarrhea. Gnawing hunger, better temporarily from eating. Gnawing means some sort of holding pain, gnawing. Stale eructation, bilious vomiting on slightest error in diet. Stomach symptoms: better from tight clothing. Averse to coffee. Abdomen symptom acid fluor. Soreness over liver, warmings produce diarrhea, itching, burning at anus, sensation of emptiness about navel with a desire to take deep breath, better feeling on bandaging, ascites from hepatic disorder, induration, enlargement and portal congestions. Urinary symptoms of acid fluor. Upward drawing in urethra, urine scanty, dark. Urine increases in dropsy. This is a rare symptom. Urine increases in dropsy is a rare symptom. Mind it. It's a rare symptom because generally urine decreases in dropsy, because dropsy means accumulation of water in the tissue space. Since the water is accumulated in tissue space, the urine should decrease. If it is increases, then this is an exceptional symptom. An exceptional symptom means uncommon, strange, peculiar symptom, and that means that particular symptom may help you to select a remedy. One symptom, one remedy, maybe, if it is uncommon, strange, peculiar. So if you note that a particular patient is in dropsical condition, he says that the urine frequency has increases, then you can directly come to acid fluor. Male symptom acid fluor. Increased sex desire in old men, violent erection at night, oily, pungent smelling sweat on genitals, edema of scrotum, varicocele tumor varicocele tumor on the testis. Used to ogle women in the street, excessive enjoyment during sex. Female symptom acid fluor. Menses too early, copious, frequent, too long. Metrorrhagia with difficulty in breathing. Copious excoriating leukorrhea. Nymphomania. Nymphomania is high sense of sex or sex desire in women. Nipples sore, cracked. They feel distress if the flow delayed. Respiratory symptom acid fluor. Oppression in chest, better in bending backwards. Hydrothorax. Hydro means water, thorax means chest. Water accumulation in the chest. This is one of the picture, hydrothorax. This water has been accumulated, this accumulation of water in this pleural space. Actually, water, whenever there is water in chest, you mind it, the chest means it is not that within the lung, but the pleural space. Within the pleural space of the lung. Better ending backward, difficulty in breathing with or alternating with metrorrhagia. Sleep symptom acid fluor. Sensation as if sleeping on side not lain on. Extremity symptom from acid fluor. Phelon, sensation as if a splinter under the nail, nail distorted, crumble, grow rapidly, dropsy of limbs in old, feeble constitutions, feeble feeling of hair on the back of fingers, constant redness of the hands, especially palms, ulcers over tibia. This is tibia bone. In the lower leg area from knee joint to ankle, the tough and fat bone is called tibia bone. There is also another bone is called fibula. That is very thin. Ulcers over tibia, ulcer over this area. Hot, sweaty palms, soreness between toes, corn sore. Skin symptoms acid fluor. Varicose veins. Varicose veins. Look here, the varicose veins here given here. Feel as if hot water were emitting from all the pores. Dry, harsh, itching, cracked skin. Scars surrounded by pimples become red around the edge. Keloids. Keloid had been shown here. Keloids is a very bad type of disease. When the scar, say after injury or after fire, burning, there is severe healing with thick tissue. That is, tissue means this tissue are called regenerated tissues after injury. So that keloid forms from that particular tissue, and that is a very dangerous disease, some sort of cancerous. Fever symptom acid fluor. Evolutions of heat with pain in bones. Acrid, eroding sweat, excites itching. Sweat on hand and feet. Nightly fever coming on periodically. One-sided sweat, mainly left-sided. Sweat on diseased part. Complementary medicines, silicea. Related medicines, calcareous salt, pulsatilla, sulfuric acid. With this the video ends. Thanks for listening and viewing. Any problem, write it in the comment section. I would certainly attend.